So what are the tools? List building software we're talking about, Aweber. Now I'm an affiliate of these tools. Okay, so I'm going to be giving you my affiliate links. So if I have introduced this tool to you, I would ideally expect you to create your account via my link. So anyway, they are free account, and I also don't want you to, if you want to play around with the tool, you can create an account with a mail ID which you are not going to use in future. Okay, I'm going to be giving this ConvertKit is a beautiful autoresponder. Get response I'm using right now. I'm going to give you a glimpse of that. Let me cover the content and then I'll quickly give you a glimpse of everything and how these pieces integrate and connect together. Okay. So some of the list building software, Aweber, Get Response, ConvertKit, Constant Connect, MailChimp, right? Yeah. And then we have the learning management system, Teachable, Thinkific, Kajabi, LearnDash. These are some of the tools. I also shared the cost. Get Response is $15 a month. A learning management system, Teachable, is basic $29 a month. Website and all, if you have, great. If you don't have, then there is a 8 component of a successful website, which I'm not going to cover here. These are extra costs. This can be done later. We are talking about immediate monetization. So right now the way things have changed, 2 years before you needed web presence and all these things. Now a lot of things have changed. Okay, so even without much web presence, you can start monetizing and start creating your web presence. Okay, so these are the list building tools, learning management. These are the tools. Funnel building. These are all advanced level stuff. These are like using AK-47 to kill a mosquito. So please don't go and buy ClickFunnels. Don't subscribe because $97. Unless you are ready to use it the best way, that the tool has so many features, just don't use that for creating landing pages. So I don't recommend. These are few other funnel building system for landing pages and funnel building system marketing. They're powerful tools, but at your level, unless you are ready to go full throttle and you have a 10,000 list of database of your client, I don't recommend any funnel building system. Webinar, Zoom, Demio, Webinar Jam. Demio, I was super happy with Demio sometimes back. I have used it many times because it helped me a lot. It gives a nice registration page which becomes a landing page, and automatically you can integrate it with Get Response. So you save a lot of other tool cost. So now these are two detailed things. I'm not getting into there. Just know the names and do your R&D if you want. Link tracking, ClickMagick or Bitly. This helps you in analytics and help, as I said, analytics will help you decide, see where you're getting more responses, what is working for you, continue doing that, what's not working, stop. So these are some of the tools that we have to use. Now I'm going to show you how these tools integrate together. And then I will talk about product. Now, this is the marketing. If you are going full-fledged, then you are ready to market and scale your business. But right now, you only need one tool, which is list building autoresponder, must have. And then you can use WhatsApp, you can use video, you can use, YouTube, Vimeo to share your courses. Okay. So with that itself, you're ready to start monetizing. Okay, there are a lot, yeah. But if you want to do it at a bigger scale, my challenge is people who don't want to spend on marketing, but they want more customers. It does not work like that. Okay, so even you have best stuff, you will have to market. Okay, and that's how once you go into that stage, then you are ready for autopilot. This business runs in autopilot mode.